Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. This is Learn English with Smeo. Today we are going to learn about personal pronouns in English. Personal pronouns are words we use instead of nouns, especially the names of people or things. So in short, personal pronouns are used to replace nouns in sentences. Why do we use personal pronouns? We use personal pronouns to avoid unnecessary repetition. That means we use personal pronouns to help us to avoid repeating the same noun in a sentence. Look at this example. John is a teacher. John likes English. Instead of us repeating John, we can say John is a teacher. He likes English. He is the pronoun that is being used to replace the noun John. So you can see our sentence now sounds very clear without the repetition. Now let us look at the personal pronouns in English. Today we are going to look at the personal pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. We start with I. The personal pronoun I is used to talk about ourselves. When you are talking about yourself, you would refer back to yourself using I. For example, I am a teacher. I like reading books. I live in Nairobi, among very many other examples. So at the back of your mind, you need to remember that the personal pronoun I is used when you are talking about yourself or when we are talking about ourselves. It refers back to the speaker. Number two, we have the personal pronoun you. You is used when talking to one person or many people. That means that the personal pronoun you can be used both in singular and in plural. But we use you when referring to a person who is not very far away from you. Like for example, you can say somebody who is just next to you. You can see them, you can talk to them. Like for example, you can say, you are my friend. You can also say, you speak English well. And then in another example, you can say, you are welcome. So you, which is used both in singular and in plural, talks about a person or many people that you can see who are not very far away from you. The personal pronoun he is used to talk about a male person, and it is used when you are talking about someone who is far from you, the speaker. Someone who is far from you, the speaker. You can see them, but you cannot talk to them that easily the way you can talk to a person who is near you using the pronoun you. So for a person who is male, we use the pronoun he. You can say in our examples like this is Tom. He is my brother. He is referring back to Tom, and it is replacing Tom as the pronoun. He plays football every day. And you can also say he is very kind. He is very kind. We have the pronoun she. She is used for a female person. And just like the pronoun he, it talks about someone who is far from you. You can see them, but you cannot be able to talk to them easily the way you can talk to a person who is near you using the pronoun you. So if the person is female, you are going to make use of the pronoun she. For example, Mary is a nurse. She works in a hospital. Mary is a nurse. She works in a hospital. She is used to replace Mary, which is our noun. Mary is the noun replaced by she, which is the pronoun. In another example, you can say she loves music. Or you can also say she is happy today. Let us move on to the pronoun it. The pronoun it is used for things, animals, or ideas. So we use it when we want to talk about things, animals, or ideas. And just like he, she, it is used when you're talking about things, animals, or ideas. But if you're talking about things or animals, we will be talking about things that are near you or things that are far away from you, but they are not female or male. So in short, we say they are neutral. They are neutral in terms of gender. So in terms of gender, they are not male, they are not female. So we use it. If it is male, we use he. If it is female, we use she. You can have examples like this is a book. It is new. It is replacing book, which is our noun. The dog is small. It is friendly. And here it is used to replace dog, which is our noun. The weather is hot. It is sunny today. It is replacing the weather. And many other examples. We move on to the pronoun we. We is the plural form for I. First of all, at the beginning we talked about the personal pronoun I. So in the plural form, you use we. So we use we to talk about ourselves and other people together. You can say that we are students. We are students. That means many. We like English lessons. Or you can say we are going to school. We are going to school. We can also use they as a personal pronoun to talk about many people or many things. Many people or many things. You realize that they is the plural form for the personal pronouns he, she, or it. So that when you are talking about he, that is one person, she, one person, it, that is one thing. When they are many, you use they. For example, the boys are playing. They are happy. The boys are playing. They are happy. They is replacing the boys. My parents are at home. They are resting. They is replacing my parents. And lastly, these books are new. They are interesting. These books are new. They are interesting. So they replaces books and many others. We had already talked about you being used both in singular and in plural. So we can still use the personal pronoun you to talk about the plural form, or in plural, or when we are referring to many people. Like for example, you can say, you are good students. You are good students. So the you is referring to the students who are many. So you can look at that example and see that you in this example is used in plural, which is different from the you that we used when we were giving examples in singular. In conclusion, personal pronouns help us to speak and write clearly and correctly in English. I want to repeat that. That's very important. Personal pronouns help us to speak and write clearly and correctly in English. Remember the personal pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, and they that we have covered in our lesson today. You need to learn how to use them. You need to learn how to practice them. Try making your own sentences using the personal pronouns that we've just mentioned and learned today. And you can write them down in your book or whichever place that you are using, or you can even write them down in our comments so that we can have a look at them and help each other continue learning English. Then as I wind up, if you enjoyed this lesson or if you have liked this lesson, I would like you to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Learning is a continuous process. We keep learning every day. So share it with your friends. There might be someone out there who wants to learn this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Bye.